welcome to Pradhyayan Education. This is Neha Shah, your tutor. In this video, we are going to start with example number 1 and we will be covering exercise 9.2. इसके पहले videos में we have covered the major theorems that are related to the circles. Let's quickly revise those theorems कि starting with theorem 9.1 what are the various theorems till theorem 9.6 जो हमने पिछले classes में cover किया है. थ्योरम 9.1 इज अगर एक सर्कल के दोनों कॉर्ड्स इक्वल हैं तो वो सेंटर पे इक्वल एंगल्स सबटेंड करेंगे. इफ टू कॉर्ड्स ऑफ अ सर्कल आर इक्वल देन दे सबटेंड इक्वल एंगल्स एट द सेंटर. दिस इज थ्योरम 9.1. 9.2 इसका टोटली कन्वर्स है. कन्वर्स मतलब इफ the angles subtended by two chords at the center are equal then the chords are equal. That is theorem 9.2. theorem 9.3 says कि अगर एक chord है और हमने सेंटर से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है chord के ऊपर then the chord is bisected by the perpendicular. That means कि if this is a perpendicular passing through the center of the circle on the chord then the chord is divided into two equal parts or bisected. Okay. इसका कन्वर्स दिस इज थ्योरम 9.3. इसका कन्वर्स ये है जो थ्योरम 9.4 है कि इफ अ chord is bisected by a line segment joining the center and the chord then we say that the line segment is perpendicular to the chord. This is your theorem 9.4. 9.5 is कि अगर एक सर्कल है उसमें if there are two chords then their distances from the center, if the chords are equal then their distances, that is the perpendicular distances from the center are also equal. Alright, and the last one is this is 9.5. 9.6 इसका भी कन्वर्स है. 9.6 is कि अगर दो chords हैं और उसका डिस्टेंस उन दोनों कॉर्ड्स का डिस्टेंसेस फ्रॉम द सेंटर आर इक्वल देन वी कैन से दैट द कॉर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. इसका डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन पिछले वीडियोस में है जिस पूरा लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड वॉच दीज वीडियोस जहाँ पे मैंने ये सारे थ्योरम्स इन डिटेल और जिनमें प्रूफ्स हैं वो भी विथ प्रूफ किए हैं. So please go ahead and watch those videos. In this video we will be covering all the examples and the exercise questions related to all the theorems. Alright. Now let's read example 1. I know you must be feeling कि ये थोड़ा सा difficult है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है पढ़ के. But what you have to do is, the trick is कि आप question पढ़ो and translate that into a diagram, into a figure. Just read the question stepwise and try to understand कि दिया क्या है. ठीक है. The question is if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through their point of intersection then prove that the chords are equal. Two intersecting chords of a circle. See, we have a circle and we have two chords intersecting each other. We have AB and CD intersecting each other at point E. These two chords make equal angles with the diameter. Which diameter? That it passes through the point of intersection. So if E is the point of intersection of AB and CD, then there is diameter PQ which passes through E. Alright? We have to prove and they are making equal angles with the diameter. So AB कौन सा एंगल बना रहा है E के साथ? इट इज मेकिंग एंगल AEQ. एंड CD कौन सा एंगल बना रहा है डायमीटर के साथ? इट इज मेकिंग DEQ. On the other side also it is possible but we are taking the one side and we will prove the question. Okay. We have to prove that these two chords are also equal in length. हम कौन सा थ्योरम यूज करेंगे? chords को equal प्रूव करना है. तो there are टू थ्योरम्स जिससे हम कॉर्ड्स इक्वल प्रूव कर सकते हैं. एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर और द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर. अब यहाँ पे एंगल जो है वो सेंटर पे नहीं बन रहे हैं. सो वी कैन नॉट यूज दैट थ्योरम कि एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर अगर वो इक्वल है तो कॉर्ड्स भी इक्वल होंगे. वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दैट, वी आर यूजिंग द डिस्टेंस वाला थ्योरम विच इज थ्योरम 9.6. वी विल से कि ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑन द टू रिस्पेक्टिव कॉर्ड्स. ठीक है, लेट्स नेम देम OM, OL, and we will go ahead with proving that these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles? Triangle OEM and triangle OEL. इससे क्या होगा? We will be able to prove OM equal to OL. What are these two distances? They are the perpendicular distances from the chords. If these two are equal, this means कि the chords are equal. So that is that simple कि आपको simply the first step of your proof is drawing of perpendiculars from the center on the given chords. Alright. So in the proof we start with draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. Okay. Now we take which two triangles? Now in triangle OEL and triangle OEM, यहाँ पे पहले एंगल लिखेंगे. एंगल OLE is equal to angle OME, right angles. Then we have angle OEL equal to angle OEM which is given. यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है. अब यहाँ पे AEQ और DEQ लिखा है, बट Q O के साथ ही है तो we can use O as well. And we have OE equal to OE common side. Therefore by angle side criterion of congruence we prove कि triangle OEL is congruent to triangle OEM. Therefore we have OL equal to OM, CPCT, corresponding paths of congruent triangles. Therefore by theorem 9.6, what is that theorem? It says कि अगर perpendicular distances of given two chords from the center are equal, then we say that the chords are equal. So what are these? These two are the distances of the given chords from the center. Therefore we can say by theorem 9.6 AB is equal to CD. Hence proved. Clear? Let's understand question number 1 of exercise 9.2. The question reads that two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Understand the question कि this is a bigger circle with 5 cm radius with center O and radius let's say OA. So OA is 5 centimeters. Then we have a smaller circle with center P and radius PA which is of 3 centimeters and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeters. We have to find the length of the common chord. Now these two circles are intersecting at points A and B. So obviously the common chord is AB because AB is a chord of the bigger circle as well and of the smaller circle as well. Okay, so we have to find the length of AB. Okay, it is very easy. Let's understand how it can be done. Now see, this is 5, this is 4 and this is 3. As you know, this is a Pythagorean triplet. That means कि 5 square will give you 4 square plus 3 square, that is 25 is equal to 16 plus 9. So we have this as a right angle which is 90 degrees. Okay. Similarly, we can prove for this triangle also. For triangle OPB, this will also be 90. Therefore, we have angle OPA plus angle OPB which is equal to 180, which means that they form a linear pair. Because their sum is 180, they are a linear pair of angles because they have a common point P. That means that AB is a straight line which is the point P which is passing through point P or the center P of the smaller circle. That means कि AB is the diameter of the smaller circle. If it is the diameter of a circle with radius 3 centimeters, what is the diameter? It is the double of the radius, that is 6 centimeters. This is what you have to do in the question. See, let's understand, let's write it down. ये सब लिख दिया है कि OP का लेंथ क्या है, PA का लेंथ क्या है, OA क्या है. See, if this is a question to find some value, we don't use the format of given, to prove and proof, obviously, right? We will go for solution. We will write OP is given 4, PA is given OA, and we will write a statement in the beginning that the center with the circle with center O and radius OA equal to 5 centimeter and the circle with center P and radius PA intersect each other at points A and B. Therefore, AB is their common chord, and we have the following values. Now we go ahead with triangle OAP. For triangle OAP, we have OA square equal to 5 square equal to 25. OP square plus AP square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, which is also equal to 16 plus 9, which is 25. Therefore, we have OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. So, by converse of Pythagorean theorem मतलब Pythagoras theorem क्या है कि अगर right angle होगा तो hypotenuse के length का square will be equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. तो उसका रिवर्स क्या है कि अगर पाइथागोरस हाइपोटेनस का लेंथ का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ टू साइड्स, देन इट इज अ राइट एंगल. हाइपोटेनस के ऑपोजिट वाला जो एंगल होगा वो राइट एंगल होगा. देयरफॉर आई विल से कि एंगल OPA is a right angle which has measure 90 degrees. Similarly, we don't have to prove that again for another angle. Similarly, we say angle OPB is also equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we have angle OPA plus angle OPB equal to 180. Therefore, we say कि AB is passing through P. See, we have drawn it like that, but we have to show कि वो P से pass कर रहा है. That is, AB is the diameter of smaller circle. यहाँ पे आपको ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा कि अगर ये है, therefore they are a linear pair. Therefore, P lies on AB, and therefore AB is passing through P. That is, AB is the diameter of smaller circle. Therefore, AB का length होगा 2 times the radius of smaller circle, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is 6 centimeters. Clear? So that's your question number 1 from exercise 9.2. Now let's read and understand question number 2. The question is कि if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other chord. This means कि अगर दो equal chords हैं, supposedly AB is equal to CD, वो given है कि दो chords equal हैं, they are intersecting at point E. We have to prove कि जो segments बने हैं because of intersection. What are the segments? AE and CE are the corresponding segments, and DE and BE are other set of corresponding segments. तो हमें इन दोनों sets को equal prove करना है. That means we need to prove कि AE is equal to CE and BE is equal to DE. Okay. First we will say कि it is a circle with center O. Then we will join OE. Then we will draw perpendiculars from O on AB and CD. And we will name them, let's name them M and N. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम ये प्रूव करेंगे. Understand one thing कि we will prove these two triangles congruent. सबसे पहले तो कैसे congruent prove होंगे? We have it easily. एक तो ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल होंगी, कैसे? बिकॉज द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, परपेंडिकुलर्स फ्रॉम द सेंटर आर ऑल्सो इक्वल, देन दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड आर इक्वल, मतलब OE कॉमन साइड है, और राइट एंगल. सो बाय R hypotenuse and side, by RHS theorem of congruence we will have these two triangles congruent. इससे हमें क्या मिलेगा? हमें मिलेगा ME congruent to NE, that we will name as equation number 1. Let's do that much, then we will understand the further कि हमें आगे क्या करना है. Let's start with the proof. We will say कि first of all draw OM perpendicular to AB, ON perpendicular to CD and OE. OE भी ड्रॉ करना है, वो दिया नहीं है. Then we will take two triangles. In triangle OEM and triangle OEN we will say कि angle OME is equal to angle ONE. Right angles जो हमने perpendiculars बनाई हैं, that is why they are right angles. Then we will say कि OE is equal to OE common, and we will say OM is equal to ON because AB is equal to CD. Therefore perpendiculars on equal chords are also equal by theorem 9.5. Okay, theorem 9.5 से हमने ये भी प्रूव कर दिया. Therefore by right angle, hypotenuse and side we will say कि triangle OEM is congruent to triangle OEN. इससे हमें क्या मिलता है? इससे मिलता है कि EM is equal to EN. ठीक है, let's name this number 1. Now what next? What we are doing is, now understand one thing again, कि अगर हमने OM और ON perpendiculars draw किए हैं on the chords, these perpendiculars will divide the chords into two equal parts, correct? That means कि N is the midpoint of CD and M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore we will say कि अगर AB is equal to CD होता है तो we can say कि half of AB is also equal to half of CD. Simply half कर दिया दोनों साइड. तो we have, अब हमें कौन सा हाफ कंसिडर करना है वो भी देखो. We have to consider the half BM and DN. We have to consider the half BM and DN. इससे क्या होगा? Let's understand. Therefore BM is equal to DN. ये कैसे हमने प्रूव किया? Perpendiculars are bisecting the chord by theorem 9.3. correct? The perpendiculars bisect the chord. BM अगर DN से इक्वल आया है और EM इक्वल टू EN है, लेट्स सी, BM इक्वल टू DN and EM is equal to EN. What do we get? We get these two as equal. Correct? What we will do is we will subtract 1 from 2. Subtracting 1 from 2. What do I have? I have BM minus EM equal to DN minus EN. BM minus EM I have BE and DN minus EN I have DE. Therefore I will say BE equal to DE. ये एक हमने प्रूव कर दिया, ये वाला पोर्शन हमने प्रूव कर दिया. Now I want AE equal to CE, तो हम यहीं से कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. We will say similarly. What do we say? Similarly we have half of AB, हम AM लेंगे अब, है ना. We will take AM is equal to CN. करेक्ट? हाफ लिया है जो हमने, AB का हाफ हमने AM लिया है, CD का हाफ हमने CN लिया है. अगर हम AM is equal to CN लेते हैं, we will name it equation number 3. Now what if I add 1 and 3? ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? I have AM plus EM equal to CN plus EN, which gives me AE is equal to CE. Simple. So we will say यहाँ पे, let's write it down. Adding 1 and 3, what do I get? I get EM plus AM is equal to EN plus CN. AM plus EM is equal to EN plus CN. Therefore, I get AE equal to CE. So that is the second part that we had to prove. ठीक है, so that's what we have done. हमने दोनों सेगमेंट्स जो बने हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑन द कॉर्ड्स, वी हैव प्रूवन दोज सेगमेंट्स इक्वल. दिस इज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ा समझने में, थोड़ा लिखने में, लॉजिक अप्लाई करने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, बट इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे जाना है तो इट विल बिकम ईजियर. वॉच द वीडियोज अगेन एंड अगेन एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू राइट देम डाउन. राइट द आंसर्स डाउन. अगर आंसर्स लिखोगे नहीं तो आपको याद नहीं रहेगा. सो हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग अ पेन एंड पेपर विद यू व्हाइल यू वॉच द वीडियोज और व्हाइल यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. लिखे बिना नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स योर एग्जाम्पल 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 हियर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 3, 4, 5, 6 हमने कवर किया है बिकॉज ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. हमने वी हैव डिवाइडेड द एक्सरसाइज इन 2 parts. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.